Good day, fellow yummies, and welcome back to another episode of Quest. You know, Summer, I'm very excited today. You know why?
Chocolate?
Chocolate! Not only chocolate, but chocolate cake. Who doesn't like chocolate?
I do.
You don't like chocolate? I just saw her sneaking around like this, exactly like that. Hold on. We'll show you now how to do the 3 ingredients chocolate cake so you can have your dessert later tonight. Yeah? Alright, fellow yummies, we'll show it to you right now. The very first step is for our Oreo cookies to separate the cream part. Do you understand it, Tahun?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
I can't wait to eat it, Daddy.
Oh, even me too. Just by the smell of it, I cannot resist. Now for step 2, get your resealable bags, and Sam is going to insert the cookies, and then we're going to smash it. Let's go, Sama. You want to smash it, Sama? All right, let's zip it for safety purposes. One thing to take note of is please make sure that the cookies are really fine. Alright, you don't want any chunks of cookies in your chocolate cake. Make sure as well there's no air inside the resealable bag, or else it's going to go kapoof.
And the cookies are coming.
And the cookies will fly all over the place.
Good, Daddy, good. Good, Daddy, good.
So what do you think, Sama? Are we doing a good job?
Yes.
Alright, I think give it a try. Here you go. Are we ready? Are we ready? Alright, let's go. Let's move on to the next step. Summer's going to put the Oreos into the bowl. Let's go, Summer. Alright, fellow yummies, now that the mixture is ready, alright, we're going to use a 6-inch pan and line it up with baking paper, alright, so it doesn't stick.
Now it's time to steam it up. I'm so excited, I just can't hide it.
Here we go. Wow, that's so beautiful.
And yummy.
And yummy.
Now it's time to decorate, Daddy.
Alright, let's go. So, I have a chocolate frosting ready. Alright, here we go.
Now I'm going to decorate it with this shaved chocolate. And put it in the middle. Now it's food tasting, Daddy. I can't wait to eat the
Yay, it's our favorite part. Food testing. Food testing. Food testing. Alright, let's go. It's really moist. How about you, Sama? You love it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Really soft.
So, fellow yummies, definitely give this a try at home, yeah, Sama? You agree? And you'll definitely love this chocolate cake. Alright? So until the next episode, bye!